How to find and see video school on Vimeo PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to find video school to join or buy on Vimeo easily and fast. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to Vimeo, now go here to manage videos and go down to video school, click on it, and right here you will find many projects. As you can see, how to become a freelance video editor, how to add chapters to your video on YouTube, Vimeo, and more, and many other option that you can actually see and get more professional with. As you can see, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.